Hello everyone, my name is Yash Duhan. I am from Rohtak, Haryana. I scored 652 marks in my NEET 2021 exam. Sachin sir helped me a lot throughout my NEET preparation journey, especially in making my foundation strong. Sachin sir is very polite and friendly. He teaches every student like his own children. His way of teaching is so unique that I never felt that I am studying online. The way of interaction of Sachin sir with the students during the class is astounding. He always tries to engage the students so that it never seems like an online class. The lectures were so well designed with GIFs, diagrams, and the other material to make the concept crystal clear. The lectures of sensory organ and the complete human physiology were my favorite. The first thing to score good marks is consistency. That is, you have to remain consistent throughout your NEET preparation journey. Either you study 8 hours a day or sometimes 2 hours a day, doesn't matter. But you have to be consistent. Then try to make your concept strong, for which you have to follow your teachers. Their notes are sufficient and nothing will come out from them. Then comes the importance of tests. You should prefer to give as much test that you can give and never ever skip any test. Your strategy must be lecture plus notes. Then you have to solve the questions and then test and then the analysis of test. Analysis is very important. You have to do the analysis. The more you analyze the test, the more you will reduce the chances of error. That is what we call silly mistakes. Then after the completion of syllabus, try to identify your weak topics and then work on them. Do not leave any topic at any cost, because you never know that the question in the paper come from which topic. At last, take the formula sheets and short notes and try to compile the things for the last time revision, because during the last time you have to remain very much focused and try to avoid wasting your time for studying the whole things from the chapter, and try only to study the important things which will be mentioned by you in your formula sheets and short notes. Now if we will talk about the study material, then stick to the notes of Sachin sir. They are more than enough. Nothing will come out from them. And always follow the NCERT line to line for all the subjects: physics, chemistry, and biology. And try to solve approx 100 questions of each subject every day. And for the questions, you can refer to the question banks of Sachin made by Sachin sir. At last, I would like to thank Sachin sir for making my journey so easy and simple. And I would also mention that do not ever leave your hobby during your preparation. Try to give some at least few time for your hobby. Like, I like to draw. Drawing is my hobby. Hence, I gave time during the weekend to my hobby always. So, all the best for your preparation journey, and thank you, Sachin sir.